parcels dahil ano ko nagbibili for the past few days dahil you know what we had 66. Alright, so maraming nagkaroon ng mga schedule ng mga promo and syempre we maximized that moment na marami silang mga discounts and talagang meron tayong mga purchases na I mean, I really love it. So, actually, I was filming earlier na while we're doing the unboxing. However, it failed me. Hindi siya na-record. TikTok failed me. Anyway, let's just start all over again. Don't mind, it's okay. Alright, so, to start off, ang dami talaga nun. I mean, this is a big package of multiple things put together. So, lahat yung binuksan ko. And I don't know, I'll just select random things. The first one that I opened is, I'll try to remember everything. This is the Scientific Cleansing Balm. So, naubusan ako nito. And I bought it again kasi, I don't know, parang out of stock to. So, I have to buy it again kasi I want to show you na talagang maganda yung quality nito. So, this is one. Next is, of course, my Pure Beauty Collagen. These are 66 fine talaga kasi bumaba yung presyo nito. So, I have to talagang buy more than one. Okay. At syempre, pasok lang din sa budget. So, I bought two. Ayan, meron pa siyang scoop na maliit. Okay, dalawa rin yan. It came with the box. It came with the box from Give Health Beauty. Thank you so much. Diba? Quality rin talaga. So, sure, authentic kayo. Meron ganito. Yan. Okay? And the next is from Easy. So, this one, I bought the eyeshadow concealer base because we all need that. Excuse me. So, oily kasi yung eyelids ko. This is active skin tint with SPF 35. So, we'll try this out. Sana tama yung nabili ko. I hope na hiyang siya sa akin and tama yung shade. I bought the hazel shade. This one is the Easy Active Foundation. Curious ako dito for the longest time. Active foundation siya, ibig sabihin, meron din siyang mga ingredients na parang skincare. So, meron siyang ginagawa sa skin mo. At the same time, ginagawa niya yung role ng foundation. So, I bought two shades, OM3 and OM3.5, medium tan olive and medium olive. Hindi ko alam kung swak sa akin to. We have to find out. I am not maputi. I am in between. Pero, you know, if mali man yung shade, edi maganda tayo ng shade. Ganun. Wala, mali ka ni. Pagawin. Alright, and then the next one is, ito, kinilig ako. Sayang talaga yung na-record kanina. Yung reaction ko, priceless. Kasi talaga, pagkakita ko ng pula. Alam mo na, enigma na talaga. Okay, so I bought MW14 and MN12 dahil hindi ko nga alam yung shade ko sa enigma. Mag-experiment pa tayo or we have to mix them together. We don't know. I tried lighter kasi sabi nila nag-oxidize. We'll find out. Okay, magkakaroon tayo ng video for this one. And then, this one, pang office. So this is a kabog libid. Yung siya for the office, beige. Na, may heels na what I like about it is makapal yung heels niya. So, I hope hindi siya masakit sa paa. We'll try it out. Ayun, kailangan ko lang din talaga kasi lang sa office. Although gumagana pa naman, pero like, I think mga 2 years na siya. Diba? Dapat magkakaroon. Okay, and then next are the hair things. This, I bought this, alright, and then I bought these. Okay, you have the yellow, brown, blue, and I bought this, and this, brown, pink, and purple. Okay, lahat may brown. I bought these and these. Okay, all of that. This is so neon, and then the pastels. Hindi naman ginagamit ko because I play volleyball as well. So, syempre, yun sa mga buhok natin, depende sa suot, ganyan. And to be honest, let's all be honest, yung mga gamit kong tipid-tipid, hindi ako isang taon talaga. For me, disposable siya. Kaya, binili lang marami. Okay, next is, this is the pre and probiotic for women from Pure Form. I saw this at TikTok, and I was taking already the Pure Trans Women's probiotic. This is prebiotic with cranberry. So, for our reproductive health, meron siyang yung mga lactobacillus, ganyan-ganyan. I bought this because I want to compare. Let's check yung hiyang. If hiyang ako dito, the same with this one. And of course, the value for the money. Ito kasi, nabili ko to sa ibang store. And then this one, nabili ko dito sa TikTok. So, let's see. You know, you always need to have options. Ayan. I think that's everything. That's all I bought. And sayang talaga yung unboxing kanina. Ang ganda ng, you know, the emotions. So, dapat pala pag ganun, dapat hindi ka mamatay. Dapat nare-record. Okay? Anyway, so there are still a lot of products na mga binili ko before. Hindi ko lang ito ginawa with you guys. So, I hope you already received your 66 purchases. And I hope you also love them. Like how I love mine. Alright, so, ayun. May mga parating pa actually. So, baka magkaroon tayo ng part 2. Okay. Nantok na ako. Tulog na tayo. Yun naman yung point. Kaya ko ito ginawa. Because gusto ko na silang itabi, igilid. Okay, para tomorrow, let's go on with the day and try some things out. Okay? Bye! Thank you, Enigma! Ayan na. Tatry na natin to. Okay, finally! Let's go! Hello, guys! Part 2 of the 66 haul. Nakagawa na ako ng first video because dumating na yung mga package na yon. But meron pang part 2 dahil meron pang second batch na dumating. So, let's start. Pagayan naman muna tayong tubig. Okay, let's go! Ano siya? Ang saya ko naman! Ito kagad! Bumungad! Okay, wait lang. Ayan na sila! Oh my God! Okay, the pre-order has finally arrived. The concealers from Enigma is here! Oh my God! Oh my God!
So, finally, nabuo na ang pamilyang Enigma. Kasi batch 1. Batch 1 dumating po yung mga foundation. Ayan, hindi ko na alam paano hawakan. Batch 1 dumating yung mga foundation. And then the next batch, dumating po ang mga concealer. Ayan. So, here are the shades that I bought. So, sana okay, dahil hindi natin sure kung alin yung sasakto sa ating shade, we bought a lot. O bahala na, 'di ba? Hi guys! Mag-unbox na ulit tayo. So, naputol tayo dun sa huli nating unboxing. Tutuloy na natin siya. But before that, ano ba ang video na to? This is my 6/6 haul. Which means, ito yung mga binili ko nung June 6, which is the double-digit sale. Basta simulan na natin. Okay, ang hindi ko napakita sa inyo is itong JMCY na binili ko, which is the double end lip glaze. So, meron silang bagong mga shades na binili ko, and I would like to try it. Apat yung binili ko, this is a buy one, take one, and then times 2, I think, something like that. Ito siya. Ayun, excited ako to try this one. Meron akong isang ganito, so, itry natin yung ibang shades. Next naman is yung bagong labas. Ayan, hindi ko pa nakakat, but ito yung isang freebie niya, so alam niyo na ang next. This is a Niacinamide Brightening Soap Plus. Binili ko siya sa Thai Beauty Shop. Ito naman yun. And bubuksan naman natin yung naka-bubble wrap pa. Hindi ko pa siya bubuksan. Para surprise, oh, diba? Ganyan siya. Nakakatuwa naman ko. Ito na siya eh. Ayaw lang ma-open. Struggling. Ayan. May freebie pa ba? Parang meron pa sa loob ng mga, ano. Wala. Ayan, this is the Niasun SPF 50 PA+++ Daily Air Sunscreen. This is made in Thailand. This one also. So, thank you, Thai Beauty Shop. Ito naman yung next nating bubuksan. Times ko na ito dahil tagal ako magbukas ng parcel. Yee! Nakakatuwa magbukas talaga. Kaya sana hindi mawala yung video na to. Kasi sayang yung emosyon ba. Para ka nagbubukas ng gift. Ayan, sinubuksan ko na. I saw this while I'm scrolling. Nakakita ko kasi heat protectant spray. This is for the hair. This is from Estained. Hitsy PC. Summer Fresh. And then, I think kung pinili ko siya, ito, dalawa sila. Kasi gusto ko ma-try if sa scent ba to. Ayan. So, I try both variants. Tingnan natin, may freebie ba? Wala. Okay, that's it. Ito naman yung next natin, nabubuksan. Sana hindi mawala naman itong, Oh, ito siya. Yung parang nagtatanggal ng stain. Ayan, stain remover. Nakita ko ito sa FYP ko, and as a clumsy person, kapag nagpuputi ako, lagi may stain ganyan. We will have this in our pocket. Lalo pag nag-volleyball ako, madumi naman din talaga yung jersey. So, this will be helpful. Ito naman yung mga susunod. So, ito times 2 ko na lang ulit. Ayan, isa. Ooh, what is this? Acne patches. Acne patch. Iba-ibang design na acne patch. Ayan. Cutie! Alright, ay! Okay, yung next natin is itong box na hindi ko mabuksan. Ano ba itong mabuksan? What is this? Kala mo na hindi ikaw yung umorder. Ito man. Parang mabango siya. Ay, masisira. Oh, okay. Ba't siya mabango? Kasi, these are my brush cleaners. Ang dami kong pinili. May ibang scent to because may storyline to. Noon ko pa ito ginagamit. And then they have this new formulation, new packaging. Everything is new. But I'm so happy na nandito pa rin sila. Okay. Ayan. Moxie Pro. This is Moxie Pro. Brush cleaner. Ayan. Iba-iba to. Oh, coffee. I love that flavor. Coffee. Okay, next. This one. Parang narinig akong kumakalimang ng mga parang glass. Ano kung binili ko? Hindi ko maalala minsan talaga yung mga binibili ko. Kaya okay na rin to. Diba? So, surprise tayo. Okay. This is the Dujosu. I bought a lot of flavors. Ayan. Macchiato. Tapos, ang dami pa. Teka lang. Hindi ko magugot. This is the latte. Ayan, dami kong pack ng mga coffee to go because I bring them sa office. And of course, the big one. Ayan, nangin ako ng malaki para makip ko naman to sa bahay. Alam ko marami to eh. Asa na? 50. Tama ba? 50 yung laman nito. Ang laki, no? And then they gave me a free small bottle. Ayan. Ang cute. Okay. Meron pa ba? Meron pa! Ice. Lagyan ng yellow. Okay. Meron pa? Wala na. Ayun, so those are part of my 6/6 buys. I hope you got your orders as well. And unboxing na rin yung sa inyo. So, looking forward na ma-review sila isa-isa. Bye! Hello! Are you ready for another haul? Marami naman talagang binili ang ate mong girl, kaya hindi pa rin tayo tapos sa ating pag-unbox. May mga dumating pa po na mga parcel from our 6/6 double-digit sale. So, this is my 6/6 haul, part 4. Oh, bugs, ang dami. Okay, paano natin to sisimulan? Simulan na! Times ko lang ulit dahil napakabagal ko po mag-unbox. Simulan natin dito sa hindi ko na-open dahil nagtago siya somewhere. Meron pa pala tayong naiwan na JMCY na package. So, i-open na natin siya.
Ayan. Ang JCMY, talagang parang dami kong binibili sa inyo. Dami kong gusto subukan. Narinig ko ba? Ayan. This is the Botanic Farm Clean Zero Residue Cleansing Balm. So, I want to try their cleansing balm dahil nga after every day, kailangan malinis ang ating skin. Kaya mas nakakatulong na mag-double cleanse tayo at nagtatanggal tayo ng makeup using a cleansing balm. Dami sinabi, basta, bili lang bili. Next is from this pile. Okay, una, ano ba ito isa? Ooh! Basta na dumating na ito, parang may isang araw ko lang ito in-order. Bakit ang dami namang in-order na ganito? Alam ko na to. This is the Face Republic Purity Sun Essence SPF 50+. PA+++, extra lightweight without white cast. Ito daw maganda daw tong sunscreen. So, susubukan natin siya. Kung talaga maganda siya. And it is a Korean brand. Okay, next naman. This one. Wow, dumating na! From Peripera. Okay, this is the Contour V Shading Blending Stick. So, contour stick siya. Pinili ko yung gray, pinili ko rin yung parang brown. We'll see how it works on my skin tone. Pero talagang gusto ko ito matry noon pa. So, ginaw ko na. Binili ko na ngayon. And may freebie siya, ang cute, maliit na pouch. Thank you! Thank you, Peripera. It's not mura, but I think, sabi nila, worth it naman daw to. Okay, next parcel. Yeah. Ay, nakaganito siya. Friends, ang nito. Oh, okay. Of course, for my hair, again. Ang trusted natin, alam niyo na kaagad. Tingin niyo ka lang dito, di ba? This is the Remod Hair Products. Okay, so bumili ako ng dalawa pang. Stock ko ng 10-in-1. Okay, kahit hindi pa naman ubos yung isa, well, ayoko maubusan din. And then, I will try this hair protecting serum. Okay, na spray. This is best for colored and sensitized hair. Okay, I think this is a spray. We'll try it out. Yan, ito yung Remod products and then they gave me free hair masks. Ayan, thank you. Final package itong nasa box. Let's go. May naman ba talaga? Ang laki ng box ha? Para dito. Nakatawa naman. Ang laki ng box. Para dito. Ito naman niya. Thank you, Maybelline. This is the Instant Age Reminder Eraser. So I bought it in 140. So ibang shade yung nabili ko before. I want to try this out. This is I think a corrector shade. Ayun, ito siya. Nakakatawa yung lalagyan. Ayun siya, ganyan yun. O, diba? Paano mo napakalaki? And ihabol na natin to. This is from Amazon. Ito siya. Pero I think meron din dito sa TikTok, but you just have to find legit seller. So, from Amazon, alam mo natin to. Yeah, this is the Wavy Talk Heated Round Brush. Okay, which will style my hair. Tatry natin kung okay siya sa hair ko and kung effect ba siya, tulad ng sinasabi nila. So, we'll try this out. So, this is my haul for 6.6. Part 4, and looking forward na matry lahat ng mga products na yun, i-share sa inyo, ma-experience, unbox them, and follow for more of that. Bye!
Everyone! Okay, mag-unbox tayo ng aking mga package. Oh my God, may package pa pala akong isa sa baba. I have to get it first. So, before that, kakaligo ko lang at gagamitin ko yung Remod 10-in-1. Importante muna makuha natin lahat ng mga package natin ngayon because para mamaya 'di ba? Okay na sila lahat at yung mga basura natin ng mga bubble wrap ay naitabi na. So, eto, kinuha ko yung mga dumating today. Bago mag-start, maglip ba muna ako. This is from Popic. Ito yung watermelon niya. Okay, again, ang init. So, let's start with our unboxing. Ito dumating to kahapon. Dinala ko siya habang nag-game ako. At alam ko kung ano to. Galing siya sa S-Shop. Kasi dun lang siya available for now. I think, for now. May love letter. O, alam niyo na saan galing to pag may love letter. O, ayan. Si Miss Nina, I'm very touched na talagang every time nag-e-effort siyang magsulat. Hindi yan sinusulat niya yan isa-isa. And they put it inside the package. Nakakatuwa. Okay. This is the Super Base. Boy, you got my heart beat running away. Okay. Matatry natin to soon. Next is another from JMCY. Pinuntahan ko pa yung, oh, ang cute. Meron siyang ganitong, packaging. So, this is my Slim Color Maintaining Gel Eyeliner. So, maganda daw itong mga eyeliner na to. This does not bleed or whatsoever. Kaya binili natin. And then, not just that, meron pang Nimble Lasting Gel Eyeliner. So, I tried I bought the two variants para matry nga natin what's best, what we can recommend best, diba? For long-lasting makeup, ganyan for the whole day. So, we will try this out. JMCY. Okay. Okay, susunod natin kung nasa box. Ano ba to? Pili ko alam ko na naman kung ano to. May mahilig sabi ko na, merong store na mahilig talagang mag-box ng ganito. Yung ang laki niya. Ito yung laman. Para sa item na to. Una, Maybelline. So, this is another Teddy 10 from Maybelline. Because yung binili kong dalawa, I'm really satisfied doon sa, sa performance nung lip tint. And I wanna try another color. Medyo, I think, nude Nude color to. This is in Skinny Dip. Okay? Okay, next is this one. Ang tagal ko siyang mabuksan. And mahirap din. Ah! Oh my God! Ito na! Ay, parang akong nagbubukas ng Christmas gift. Oh, ito ang binili ko. Oh! The BYS Peptide Lip Tint. Tapos yung kanyang bag. Tapos meron silang freebie na Hybrid Hero Everyday Moisture Sun Tint. And I also bought the Dewy Lip Tint because I want to try it. Ang catch dito is, 2 beses ako nag-check out because I want to get another one, I think. Hindi ko alam kung tama ba. We'll see, we'll see. I'm so excited! Ito, feeling ko ito yung isa na yun. Wait lang, buksan ko. Matagal siya buksan. Okay! So, ito na nga. Matagal siya buksan, pero... Okay, so I bought this BYS Lip Peptides. And what shade? Sheer Pink. And then, may freebie ulit sila. Same nga lang to. Same, I think, same color lang siya nung isa. Yeah, same shade. Okay lang yan. Oh my God! Nag-freebie sila! May tatak pa na may tatak pa na presyo. 899 siya sa Watsons. Libre lang nila. Libre lang to. Oh my God, BYS, thank you! So, ito na nga. Ito yung isa pang shade na binili ko. I bought the Hot Choco. I think this is the brown one, and then the pink ribbon. Hindi ko binili yung isang color na parang mas reddish pa siya. This suits me best, I think, and also my bags and everything. I want to use it. But, I don't know. If mag-promo sila ulit, why not? Bibili ulit tayo, diba? And then this peptide. May freebie pa. Okay, ito na yung next natin. What is this? What is this? Okay, may free shop. Burrito, Mighty Bamboo Panthenol Cream. Alam mo, minsan nalilimot ko na rin talaga. Ano yung pinagbibili ko? Well, that's exciting. Hala, masisira. Ah, okay! OA. This is the 345 cream of Althea. Dr. Althea. Ito, sobrang viral to dito sa TikTok. And we want to try it out. Dahil nga, meron tayong mga pimples. And we want to check if may hiyang tayo dito. Because not everything naman talaga is, hiyang sa ating lahat. If viral, if it works for them, it may not work for you. That's the mantra. And that's what we should all remember. Ito naman yung next natin. Oh! Salve. This is a hybrid sunscreen SPF 50. Nakita ko lang din to sa TikTok and I want to try it out. Maganda daw ang reviews ito. Salve. Let's see how it works. Okay, anong part na? Kung anong part na, sobrang daming bili-bili. Okay, this is a continuation of our 6/6 haul. Actually, alam mo, hindi na to 6/6. Parang naging payday sale na rin to. Okay, if you know. Continue with the unboxing. So, this is an unboxing video ng mga pinagbibili ko at this time of the month, which is, that is a 6/6 and because of the payday sale. So, open this one. Ito mga in-order ko hindi ko na maalala kung ano, but I love unboxing these items with you kasi kitang-kita nyo talaga yung na nakakalimutan ko, ano ba yung binili ko, ganun. And I know, oh my God. Oh my God! Sumakses ako! This is the Deviant Star Pump. Feeling ko, heart, ibang ilista ako ngayon. Oh my God, nabili ko siya. You know, pag binibili ko yung mga items na gusto ko, minsan nasa cart lang sila. Tapos, I'll wait for the right moment. The right moment will come na magkakaroon ng OA na discount, OA na voucher. Doon ko yung nakuha. Yan, so you watch out, okay, for those items. And pag-antay na kayo, lagay nyo na siya sa cart. Take time. Okay, I'm so excited! The next one is this box. Ano to? Siyempre, walang iba. Ang favorite store natin na mahilig mag-box ng mga maliliit na bagay. Maybelline. Diba? This is the vinyl lip ink. Vinyl ink. Nakita ko kasi parang ang ganda niya sa lips. And I want to check. I want to try it out. I tried out first this shade Irresistible dahil nga during their live, nagbigay sila ng amazing discount. So, I got it for around 200 plus. Okay? Okay, next na tayo. Oh! We will try this Seaways All-Purpose Cleaner. Dahil nakita ko, very effective siya sa mga stains, sa walls. So, this is 1, 2, and 3. Tatlo sila. Then, this is the nozzle. Then tayong stains sa mga doors, sa walls. So, gusto ko to i-try itong tatlo. Okay, ito natin yung inaantay ko. What is this? What is this? VTT. So, may nakita ko sa TikTok na item. Ayan siya. Nagpa-vibrate yan para sa tummy. And all the So, gagamitin ko siya for massage. As a massage gun. Hindi na ako bumili ng massage gun eh. So, kapag nag-volleyball, and then this can be put sa tummy kahit may iba kang ginagawa para na rin siyang na-exercise. So, that's
all for now, I think. Na-unbox ko na lahat. The next thing we have to do is to open and unravel each and every one of them. Mabusisi natin, okay? So, I have to go. Thank you for watching, guys, for all